Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to apply lipstick and how I apply lipstick, and just in case if anything messes up, then you know, I got you. So if you want to see how I apply lipstick, keep on watching. Hello everyone, so today we are going to be doing my lips. I already did my entire makeup. I will link all the stuff because I filmed everything, so I will link it all. Now onto my lipstick. Okay, the lip liner is in Whirl by MAC, and then the lipstick is a liquid lipstick by Anastasia called Hudson. So I always do a cross here, well not a cross, but I always do like a little X here because I like my Cupid's bow. I like insinuating it a little bit, and so I also do the outer corners of the mouth as well. Now going into the lipstick in Hudson. Okay, so I still totally messed up, but we can fix that. To fix the lipstick, I usually use a Morphe M432 brush and the Anastasia Cream Kit in medium, the neutral shade. So I kind of go like this. Let me see if you can see it. Just tap it. And I kind of blend it. So this is how I apply lipstick, and just in case if it messes up or anything, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.